Tesla has continued taking pre-orders for its next-generation Roadster, a fully electric supercar reboot of its first-ever EV. The automaker had closed the reservations for Founders Series versions in December 2021. An interesting tidbit about the new pre-orders is that Tesla's online reservation page only shows the amount a customer has to pay instantly $5,000 and the remaining $4,000 to $5,000 in the next 10 days. The total price of a Tesla Roadster isn't available anymore on Tesla's site. Originally, the price of a Tesla Roadster was $200,000, and for a Founders Series Signature version, it was $250,000. With inflation and a worldwide chip shortage, Tesla might not want to bind themselves to a price that does not match the cost of a car being produced next year. The Founders Series in Tesla terminology refers to the cars that have a low VIN. These are the first produced priority deliveries. They'd also tend to have a Founders Series badge showcased on the rear of the vehicle. The latest reservations page set up by Tesla does not offer a Founders Series Tesla Roadster. This might be due to the fact that there are already enough reservations for this particular version. It's likely sold out at this stage. At the recent Cyber Rodeo party, Elon Musk mentioned that Tesla will be starting next-gen Tesla Roadster production next year as well. It's likely that Roadster production starts a little later in 2023, following the Cybertruck at Giga Texas. Tesla unveiled the Roadster on November 16, 2017, at the Tesla Semi-Unveil event. Elon Musk had promised that the Tesla Roadster will be the fastest production car ever made, with a 0 to 60 time of 1.9 seconds. But with the launch of the Tesla Model S Plaid, this milestone has almost been achieved with a 0 to 60 mph just 1.99 seconds. So, with current technology and battery advancements, the base variant of the Tesla Roadster should be able to do even better than 1.9 seconds. However, a Tesla Roadster will also be upgradable to a 1.1 second car with the SpaceX rocket thrusters package. Without a doubt, this will likely redefine what it means to be a supercar forever.